Words are the tools of thought. With the words you speak and write, you create an image of the world for yourself, and you also create an image of yourself for the world. Nothing is more fundamental to your ability to communicate than your skill with language. It's through language that we express our ideas and understand the ideas of others.
There are more words in the English language than any language past or present. And when you realize that language is the vehicle by which we express reality, then the more words you know, the better able you are to understand and to express reality as you see it.
Elizabeth Morse-Cluley is the co-author of Webster's New World Power Vocabulary and the developer of a new approach to vocabulary building. What is a power vocabulary? It's a way of understanding words by learning how they work, what they're made of, and where they came from. It's a series of techniques that will expand your power of expression and will enable you to take advantage of the most effective, dynamic communication tool ever devised, the English language. Your ability to express yourself is closely tied to your self-confidence, your social ease, and to the image you present to other people. Studies show a critical relationship between professional success and command of the language. The only common characteristic of top executives, and in fact of successful people in all fields, appears to be an exceptionally good grasp of word meanings. How do you develop this characteristic? You can do it by using the power vocabulary techniques that you'll learn on this tape. First, to pay attention to people who use the language well by listening, reading, and understanding words in context. Second, to understand the hows and whys, why English is so full of exceptions, why it's the most diverse language on earth, and how it got that way. Third, to think visually so the meanings of word elements are clear in your mind. And fourth, to use the techniques of clustering to focus on the building blocks of English words, the roots, prefixes, and suffixes that are the foundation of a power vocabulary. Here once again is Elizabeth Morse-Cluley.
No matter where you start with this method of learning vocabulary, you already have the tools that you need to build on and to use to increase your vocabulary power. You have what's known as a functional vocabulary. A functional vocabulary is that body of words that we use every day, that we're familiar with, that we're comfortable with. And the whole goal of this program is to close the gap between that and what's called a recognition vocabulary. And those are the words that you're familiar with but you don't use. They're words that you would read. They're words that you would hear other people using. And you know.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?